Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Dr. Techno's Tech Time. My name is Dr. Techno, and this episode we are visiting the Cool Tool School. Today you will be learning about some useful tools that are available on your system and come with your Windows operating system. Oftentimes, users who do not know better download tools that replace these already existing tools in your system. Downloading and installing from the internet can be dangerous, so why risk it? The first tool on the list is for Windows, and it's called the Windows Credential Center. You can reach it by going to the control panel and selecting Credentials Manager. Here you can access and save all of your passwords and certificates that you have for various folders, users, and websites you frequent. With this tool, you can also have the capability to back up any or all passwords to a separate folder located within your network. It's a very cool tool.
So that means that every time I make a new password for something, I can back it up to my external hard drive so only I know it.
Precisely, Lappy. Good job. Our second tool that we're featuring on Windows has helped me numerous times before. It is called the snipping tool. This is a convenient feature which allows you to crop out a screen-captured image directly from your visible screen to an image file format locally. To access it, search for it using your search bar in the Start menu. For example, if you wanted to get a certain item from a shopping website, you can access the shopping website and select a box that has a picture of the item, its title, and its description, and save it as an image file on your computer. This tool is also very helpful to take a screenshot of an issue you're experiencing to send as a service ticket to your Pinnadyne Help Desk email account.
Dr. Techno, I also have a screen capturing tool called Grab. You just press Command plus Shift and the number 4 key to access it as a snipping tool.
Excellent. I'm glad you both have it. It will definitely come in handy.
Learning all these cool tools is fun. What's next?
Next, we will look at a tool that only Mackie can use, which is called Time Machine. This tool allows you to automatically back up your data to an external hard drive. So in case of any kind of disaster or malfunction, you can bring your data back from when it worked previously, and it archives the data by date to categorize it easier.
What's a tool that I've got?
You need more patience, Lappy. Here's a simple tool to use, a sound recorder. It can be found by clicking the start jewel and typing in your search bar sound recorder. It does exactly as its name suggests. It records sounds. However, it will only record internal sounds, such as videos and music and sounds that the workstation is producing internally.
That's awesome! I will be using that one tonight. Anything else I can try out?
There are many other things to try out. Another tool that you can use is one called AeroPeek, which is a system of tools to easily access your desktop. The desktop is the starting ground when on a computer with a Windows operating system. It is the first place you go when you log onto your system, so you will need to access it often. One way you can get to the desktop is by pressing Alt and Tab together to cycle through the different windows you have open. You can also click the small space to the right of the clock in the lower right hand corner of your screen, and clicking here will immediately take you to the desktop.
That is so cool! Now I know many different ways on how to get to the desktop. I'll have to look for some more. Next.
You are relentless, Lappy. It's quite amusing. Next one is called ReadyBoost. This tool allows you to use a flash drive or external hard drive as a method of raising your computer's memory and speed. If your computer is running sluggishly, here's what you need to do. Find a USB or an external hard drive, plug it into your computer, and have the computer install all driver software. A window will pop up with options to open folder, to view files, format, etc. You will click the option that says Speed up my system. This uses the amount of memory you have left on the USB or external hard drive for extra memory to speed up your computer. Pretty cool, huh?
I'm learning more and more every day with you, Dr. Techno.
Would you like to know more?
Boy, would I!
Oh boy, would I!
A useful tool that you can use, Mackie, is called Digital Color Meter. This tool will detect the color of anything you select and produces its code. This code can be used in Photoshop, Adobe Flash, shopping, and other designing software. This data is also very useful when writing scripting languages like HTML or CSS.
What else do I have?
Your operating system also has a tool called Power Save Settings. This allows you to adjust your battery settings to be optimal to save the battery life. Here you can modify brightness, sleep timers, screen save timers, and more.
Yay! I'm gonna stay up all night playing Minecraft with my extra memory and battery life.
Lappy, you are a silly boy. Well, hopefully all of these cool tools help you in the future. That's the end of today's class. So if you need any more helpful hints and tips, and you're curious about what the best solution is, just call
Captain Pinnadyne!
Remember everyone, when in doubt, reboot and save often. Happy computing!